So I'm going to select each kid one time and then ask their experience. Who is ready to go first?
What experience?
Mataji, I didn't hear you.
I want you to speak about your experience in this camp, especially about Vrindavan Yatra, because this is Vrindavan Yatra session. Who wants to go first and talk about it?
Can Reet go first?
Yes, go ahead, Reet. Can you tell what did you like and what was your how did you feel with the whole session?
I actually like the class a lot. It spends most of my day learning about Krishna, and I like it that way.
Okay. Is this first time you are hearing about Krishna, or you are already connected to this group before, any Bhakti Vriksha, or this is the first time you are hearing everything?
No, I actually do Bhakti Vriksha at my house.
Okay, okay. Which was the favorite part that you like in the class? I mean, which place in the Vrindavan Yatra?
I like the cooking class the best. And I
Cooking
like the
class.
crafts too.
Okay.
Craft also.
Craft also. Okay, thank you. Who wants to go next?
Is this supposed to be the last? But it's the first.
Mataji, can Samskriti go?
Samskruti, yes, spotting you. Go ahead, Samskruti.
So I like this Vrindavan Yatra because, like they tell so many pastimes, and those pastimes are like funny. So
So go ahead and hold for the
yeah.
Is there anything that favorite place or anything that you like?
My favorite place is I forgot the name of that.
Okay, guys. So now it's my turn.
Forgot the name. Yeah, Madan Mohan Temple.
Madan Mohan Temple. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, this is the pastimes you heard first time or before you heard it?
And this is the first time I'm here.
Okay, okay. So after hearing, what do you feel? Do you feel like going to Vrindavan and visit all the places live?
Yeah.
So we all pray to Krishna that we visit and we see them with our own eyes. Directly, we virtually saw it. Okay, who wants to go next?
Winda.
Who wants to speak?
Mataji, can Keshav go?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
So, what I like cooking classes and I like the craft class, and especially like yesterday's craft of like making that jewelry, and then I like Nrsimha Kavacham and I liked Devanagari. I liked everything actually.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your overall experience. Very nice, thank you. Who wants to go next? Who wants to share their happiness with us? Okay, if nobody wants to go, then I'll hand over it to Padmasakhi Mataji. Okay, Moksha wants to say, yes, tell me, what did you like from the camp?
I like the art classes and the cooking classes. And is this the last day?
Yeah, but we have other classes. Our regular classes are there. We'll start from next Monday. So you like the art classes and cooking classes, right?
Yeah.
So
And
you ever cooked before or just learned here in the cooking class?
I also like learning about Krishna.
Learning about Krishna, very nice, very nice. So you cooked all the items by yourself?
Some of them with my mom.
So did you ever cook before these classes or this is the first time you cooked?
I cooked before with this class.
Oh, nice, nice. Thank you for sharing it. Who wants to go next?
Vinda.
Vrunda wants to share her experience. Yes, Vrunda.
Tell your experience. What you
I like the crafts and
you have summarized yourself to stand out loud.
Experience.
and also
म्हणजे आजपासून गोविंदाच्या संपणार का?
Can't somewhere.
Normal start होणार का?
I also did the crafts. What you did?
Okay, you liked craft class and what else you like?
मला craft आवडतं.
I also have lots of fun.
Oh, you had lots of fun. Wow, very nice, very nice. Okay, now I hand over the call to
Me Vrinda.
okay, Vrinda. Okay, go ahead, Vrinda.
I like doing arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts was your favorite.
And hearing the stories.
Hearing stories. Which story you liked the best?
I liked when Krishna when Madhumangal got stuck in the window.
Oh, that pastime. Oh, nice, nice. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you. Padmasakhi Mataji, would you like to take over and finish that video?
Okay, let Vrinda go. How can we say no to
No,
Vrinda?
Mataji, no, she will share.
last class. চলো তাহলে বন্ধ করো
Mataji, go ahead and start.
Okay. Okay, so today is our last session, as I was saying. So what we'll do is, I just have 2 pastimes, very small pastimes. We will cover those and we will see the video of Radhakund and Shyamkund and we will end the session. Because if we don't go to Radhakund and Shyamkund in our Govardhan Parikrama, then that is... Mataji, can you make me host? I'm not able to share my screen. Okay. So I heard some of you saying Madhumangal gets stuck in the window is your favorite pastime. That is even mine too. It was so...
Me too.
Yeah.
Mine too.
How many of you made the heart chain? I was asking you, right? I requested you. I didn't ask you. I asked you. I requested you all, please make and write your favorite places there. Vrinda made, Bala Vrinda made, this Sundari Lalita Mataji's Vrinda, she made, Ojasvi made, Parikshit made. They all sent in the group yesterday.
Which?
In Vrindavan Yatra session, yeah, see Vrinda made, both Vrindas made. Very nice.
I don't get to attend the Vrindavan Yatra, so I don't really know.
Yes, whoever attended and whoever makes, please try to make it. So let's see the pastimes today.
Today only, because
So yesterday some of you gave thumbs up. Anagya, you gave thumbs up. You didn't make the chain?
Mataji, I forgot.
Oh. Yes. Okay. So today we'll see one pastime at Brahma Kund. So what happened was Brahma, he was seeing that the cowherd boys, you know, after one time they came to Mansi Ganga to eat their lunch. So then Brahma observed, he saw that, wow, these cowherd boys are so fortunate. They get to eat the Mahaprasad directly. See, every day you offer food to Krishna. How many of us saw Krishna eating the food that we offered? Taking from the plate and eating the food. But see, the cowherd boys nicely offer it to Krishna and Krishna eats it. And sometimes the cowherd boys take it from Krishna and then they eat. that is Mahaprasad, right? To Mahaprasad of Krishna. So Brahma was thinking, wow, these cowherd boys are so fortunate. They get to eat the Mahaprasad of Krishna. And then he comes up with a plan. He was thinking, I also want to eat Mahaprasad. So let me come up with the idea. And Brahma thinks, I will become a fish in this pond in Mansi Ganga. So that when I become fish, then anyways Krishna will come and wash his hands. So when he washes his hand, there is some remnants there, right? Some remnants, but then I can eat that and I can get the Mahaprasad of Krishna. So he will become a fish. But Krishna understands, right? Krishna is there in everybody's heart. So he knows what you are thinking, what I am thinking, what everybody is thinking. So Krishna understands it, and Krishna will think, oh, okay. And that day, instead of washing hands in Mansi Ganga, what will Krishna do? He will take water with his left hand and he will wash his right hand on the other side, on the soil, instead of washing in the Mansi Ganga. So then when he washed, the food didn't enter the Mansi Ganga, so the fish didn't get his Mahaprasadam. So that place where this pastime took place, where Krishna washed his hand on the other side, is Brahma Kund. So from this pastime, we have to understand that to please Krishna, you cannot show your magician techniques. That doesn't work. You can please him only with that love that the cowherd boys and the Gopa boys, the gopis showed. And then now comes one more spot called Lota Baba. How many have been to this place? Did anybody go to Lota Baba's place on Govardhan?
Yes, Mataji.
Who is Sagar? Yes. Okay.
Mataji, it's the eye of Mataji, it's the eye of Govardhan, Lota Baba.
No, Lota Baba is not eye of Govardhan. Radhakund and Shyamakund are the eyes of Govardhan.
It's the tail of Govardhan, right?
Lota Baba, I don't know that, but I know Radhakund and Shyamkund are the eyes of Govardhan. And Govardhan is what of Vrindavan? Govardhan is the Tilak of Vrindavan. Govardhan is the Tilak. So this Lota Baba pastimes is, it said that there are two pastimes related to this. That Lota Baba, he likes cooking. So he cooked nice prasadam one day. He made some sweet rice and he was calling Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, come. I made nice prasad for you. Krishna, come. Then Krishna was saying, I am coming in a minute. I'm coming. I'm going to come. I'm going to come. He said that, and it has been evening. It's been the next day. It's been a week like that, but Krishna never came. And it is the Brajvasis, if you go there, there's a pujari, and he explains saying that Lota Baba have been waiting for Krishna. And if you see that deity, even to that deity, they don't give lot of opulent prasad, because Lota Baba is waiting for Krishna without eating anything. They just offer some fruits to the deity there. Because he's fasting. Just like in Sridham 1, I said Sridham has been waiting. So here Lota Baba is also waiting. Waiting means now you don't ask me, is he 5,000 years old? I explained you that day, right? The age of this material material world will apply to us, not for the associates of Krishna. And one more story is, like we call the stick as lati, right? Lati, sticks are lati. But Lota Baba has such a very big and fat stick that it is called as lota. So big stick. So one time what happened, Lota Baba was very proud of the stick that he has. And when Krishna was raising Govardhan Giri with the little finger, then Lota Baba was thinking, Krishna is not lifting Govardhan. It is me, my stick, which is able to lift the Govardhan. And he started feeling very, very proud of his stick. Then Krishna understands what is there in his heart. So what Krishna does, he slowly starts leaving the little bit, like just for a second, he just try to leave the Govardhan, and it starts coming down. He's like, no, it's not my Lati which is holding the Govardhan. It is Krishna only who is holding the Govardhan. So that is one more pastime about Lota Baba. And then there is one more place that we will see today in the video. It is called Uddhav Kund. It's also a very beautiful place. I really like Uddhav Kund, and in Uddhav Kund there is as you enter there is a small temple, and you have to cross the little temple to enter Uddhav Kund. So there are, how many of you have been to Uddhav Kund?
See, I have been.
Mataji, Nandini
I
has.
have been. Mataji, Arjun has been.
Yes, Arjun. So yeah, do you remember that small temple with Radha Krishna deities?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So,
I also there.
and there is one old pujari. I don't say pujari, but there is an old, very old person around in 80s. He's sitting, he has a bed, he has everything in front of the altar. He will be giving prasadam. He talks very nicely, and he explains pastimes about, he says that he saw Srila Prabhupada, and he says that Srila Prabhupada, when he visited Vrindavan, this small Prabhuji, who is there, this old Prabhuji, who is now old, was very small that time when Srila Prabhupada visited. So he was telling to me last time when I visited, he was saying that his mom tied him to some tree, because his mom was very angry that the Prabhuji had did something. Then when Prabhupada came, Prabhupada said, oh, he's a small kid, you should not do like that. And Prabhupada explained to his mom and asked to leave the small child. So now he has grown up and is very old. So he sits there on his bed and he gives prasad of that, I don't know, sugar candy, the small sugar candy.
What I want in the fall, I think I saw him.
Yeah, I went 2 times. He was there, and he's so nice. He knows astrology. Sometimes he tells. So you have to cross, and there is on the left side of the temple, there is always people will be singing bhajans, with big khartals. They will be singing Radhe Krishna, like that. They'll be singing. So you have to cross that and go to Uddhav Kund. It is said that Uddhav ji, when he came to Vrindavan, he stayed there for 10 months, and he was so astonished seeing the love of gopis, and then he felt that he's not at all devoted to Krishna compared to what he's seeing compared to the gopis. Then what happened? He at this Uddhav Kund, he sat there and he was praying constantly to Krishna to give him that love what the gopis have towards Krishna. So this is the place called Uddhav Kund. And then, as I said, today we'll go to the last place we'll be seeing. There are many places. 2 days is not sufficient, but the main place. So we'll see like Radha Kund and Shyam Kund. I know you all know the pastimes. You have seen in Little Krishna. But just 2 lines, if somebody doesn't know. So when Krishna killed the demon Aritsasura, the gopis were teasing him, saying that you killed a bull, so you did a sin, so you have to now take bath in holy waters. That is when Krishna brought all the holy waters in Shyama Kund, and he was bragging about his kund. Then Radharani will say, okay, I will go to Mansi Ganga and make my own kund, and she'll try doing that, but you know, it was not possible because how much water they were pouring, the soil kept on drinking. And finally Krishna, by the order of Krishna, all the holy rivers will come to Radha Kund. And that's how Radha Kund and Shyam Kund are formed on the same day. If you go on Bahulashtami, because they appeared on Ashtami, the 8th day, you can see on Bahulashtami, they celebrate their appearance day and people take bath there. And as I said, Shyam Kund and Radha Kund are the eyes of Govardhan. And in whole of Brahma's creation, Radha Kund is the holiest place. It is the liquid form of love of Radharani. When you go to Radha Kund, especially Radha Kund, Shyam Kund, you should go in that mood. You should never think it is like, though it is dirty, you should never say. I have seen many kids who go from US because you don't see any dirt here, immediately you will say yuck, like that. You should never say like that, because it's trust me, it is the holiest place in all of Brahma's creation. I personally I like to sit here. There are a lot of mosquitoes that come by evening. So you have to go in the morning. And here there is, who's Bhajan Kotir? There is a Bhajan Kotir of somebody is just beside this.
Sanatan Goswami.
Sanatan Goswami was at Mansi Ganga. Raghunath Das Goswami.
Oh.
Raghunath Das Goswamis. There are many pastimes, but we will not have time. So we will see the video. We'll get the blessings of Radha Kund and Shyam Kund, and then we'll see what. Ki Jai.
Mataji, we have one more class, Mataji.
Yeah, see why Radha Kund is in green color. I really don't know.
Maybe algae or a lot of plants in the water. No.
Then that algae is there even in Shyamakund, Anirudh, but still Shyamakund is little blackish, but Radha Kund is greenish hue.
Mataji, I guess it's because people like to go and take a full bath in there. They go and
We'll do one thing. If somebody knows, they can answer. Or let me do one thing. If there is a specific reason I don't know, I will check, and though the classes were not there, I'll post in the group if I get an answer. Because we should not guess, right? When we don't know, we can't guess.
Mataji, I know. Krishna
Yeah.
Mataji, this is Anika.
Yes, Anika, you know the answer?
No, I just said Hare Krishna. I just joined.
So who said they know the answer? Yes, Jagdish, tell me.
Because it's been a very long time since they did not change the water.
Oh yeah. Then
They
that
want our swimming pool to change water.
would still be algae then, like all the bacteria. Not bacteria. It has to be algae.
Okay, let's not speculate. We'll see. Okay, why Radha Kund is green? That is okay if it is green or red.
And
But
also it's very dirty.
okay, now you all tell me what is your favorite place in all our Vrindavan Yatra? Which place you want to see? Who will start first? Keshav.
what, Mataji?
Kunda.
What is your favorite place in Vrindavan Yatra that we discussed? Where you want to go next time?
Mine was Haubilav, Vyomasura Gufa, Betan Sali, Surabhi Kund, Bimal Kund, Panchapandav, Kameshwar, and
Oh,
Chora,
you want to go to Kamyavan, right?
and Dharma Kund also.
So you basically are saying everything from Kamyavan. Okay, Keshav. Next, let me ask. Arjun Raina. Okay, I'm asking. Whomever I ask, please tell, okay? Arjun Raina, can you unmute yourself? Tell me, which place?
I
really don't know where I want to go. I really liked all of them, and also I went a recent time ago, so I remember.
Okay, Ojasvi, thank you. Ojasvi is raising her hand. Yes, Ojasvi.
Yes, Mataji. Radha Kund and Shyam Kund.
Oh, you want to go to Radha Kund and Shyam Kund. So see, when you all go to Vrindavan, you should remember, and you should pray for me that I will also become a very good, nice devotee like all of you. When you go to Vrindavan. Gopal Govinda.
want to visit Shyam Kund and Radha Kund.
Oh, Shyam Kund and Radha Kund. Everybody wants to go to Shyam Kund.
And I want to go to Bhishma Kund.
You want to go Bhishma Kund.
And
Bimal Kund. It's Bimal Kund.
Mataji, can I go next?
Who is that?
This is Shri.
Yes.
Is it Shri?
Yes, Shri, go ahead.
I want to go to Radha Kund, Shyam Kund, and Pili Poker.
Oh, very nice. All three holy places. Very good. Yes, Ujjwal Nitai.
I want to go to the Mansi Ganga.
Mansi Ganga. Okay, wonderful.
Mataji.
Yes, Sai Kishore. Sai next Kishore. Yes, Sai.
I want to Mataji, can Nandini go?
Yes, Nandini.
I want to go in Radha Kund.
Radha Kund. You have been there many times, Nandini.
Yeah.
Yes. Vrinda, then Kishore. Vrinda.
Sai.
Sai, yes. Vrinda, go ahead.
I want to go to Vindakund.
You want to
I
go
want
to
to go.
Vindakund? Yeah, very nice place. Go. Then you can go to Nandagaon. Yes.
I want to go to Nandagaon.
Nandagaon. Okay. Mataji, Sai. Can Sai and Maithili go next? Sai and Maithili.
Yes.
Can I go?
Yes, Sai. Where is she?
Yes, Mataji. I would like to go to Radhakund, Shyamkund, and
Can I?
Okay. Very nice. Everybody is saying Radhakund, Shyamkund. Most of you. Oh, next, Maithili. Okay, I'm picking everybody. We have 4 minutes. You will be quick. Okay, and then Maithili, Ramachandra, and Anagya.
Hare Krishna Mataji, I would like to go to Pilipokar and Radhakund.
Pili Pokar and Radhakund. Wow, both very wonderful places. Very nice.
Ramachandra.
Oh. Okay, Ramachandra next. I remember Ramachandra next. Prahalad.
Radhakund, Shyamkund, and Kusum Sarovar.
Have you been there before, Ramachandra?
No, I never been to Vrindavan.
Wow. Yeah, Kusum Sarovar is my favorite too. When you go there, you should remember me. You have to pray for me, Ramachandra.
Mataji, can I go?
Okay.
Mataji, can I go? Mataji, can I
Mataji, can you mute all?
Mataji.
Kishore?
Yes.
Yes, Kishore.
Mataji, unmute yourself, Mataji.
Yes, Kishore. Tell.
I will go to Yashoda Kund
Yashoda Kund. Oh.
and Barsana.
Okay, very good. Okay. Then Pratmesh. Pratmesh was raising his hand. Yes, Pratmesh. Mataji, should I unmute them?
You should unmute.
Mataji.
Pratmesh. Next, Harini. Yeah, go ahead. You start.
Mataji, this is Hani. I have to go to Madan Mohan Temple.
Oh, Madan Mohan Temple. Okay.
Bhishma Kund.
Mataji, can I go, Mataji?
Kund and
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mataji, can I go?
Okay. See, I'm unmuting everybody in the line. Just give me a minute. Pratmesh is there. I unmuted him. Then I will go to Ishita and Akshita. Yes, Pratmesh.
So Mataji, I want to go to Lota Baba's temple.
Oh, Lota Baba. Yeah, then you have to go to Govardhan.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, you can go to Kusum Sarovar. On the way, you can go to Lota Baba, Narad Kund, go to Uddhav Kund, and finally end the parikrama at Radha Kund, Shyam Kund. Very nice. Yes, Ishita, I unmuted you. I think we have the last minute.
Hare Krishna Mataji, could Sanvi go?
Yes, Sanvi, quick.
I want to go to Radha Madan Mohan Temple in Shyamkund in Radhakund.
Oh, okay, wonderful. You need some energy to climb Madan Mohan Temple. Become a strong girl.
Okay.
Okay, Ishita, come on, go last. It's time. I want to ask all of you, but there's no time. I unmuted her. What happened? She got on mute.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I go, Mataji?
Yes.
Radhakund.
Radhakund. Okay. Radhakund. Everybody wants to go to Radhakund. Keshvi. She has been raising.
Mataji, it's 2:30.
Mataji, can I end with her? She was raising from long time. Keshvi.
Okay. Where is she? Keshvi, she was unmuted. Mataji, she's unmuted.
Akshita's father.
Yeah, Akshita also. Mataji, quickly these two. They have been raising from long time. Then I will end. Just 1 minute. Can I borrow 1 minute?
Okay.
Okay, Keshvi.
I want to go to Lord of Baba and Radha Mahal.
Radha Madan Mohan?
Mm-hmm.
Very beautiful place. Yeah, you can see Yamuna if you go there. Very good job. Akshita.
I want to go to Radhakund, Shamkund, Yashodakund, and Vrindakund.
All okay, see, I will see you all in some time in some more session. Then we can discuss. Okay. I see Karthik is raising. Karthik, I'll ask you if I see you in the room that I am there. Okay. Hare Krishna. I will miss you all so much. You can all join our other classes. Okay, from next week we'll start, you get the information.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye, Mataji. Hare
Bye
Krishna.
bye.